Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Helena. Our research is about math anxiety and how AI tools can decrease it as well as facilitate learning.
It started in the first quarter at UCI when I had to take my first test. I looked at the first question and my mind went blank. I'd studied and understood the material the night before, but at that moment, all I could think about was how I was going to fail.
I was placed in advanced math classes, and yet I never seemed to be able to retain concepts and perform well on my math tests. When it came down to showcasing what I had learned, I failed. When it came time to take math assessments, it felt like my mind and body were separate entities. I knew the material beforehand, but where had it gone?
That's math anxiety. And we realized it's something so many students quietly struggle with, even if they're smart and capable. So we asked ourselves, what if there's a way to reduce that anxiety? If technology, specifically AI, could help students feel less stressed and more confident when doing math?
Math anxiety is a widespread issue that affects many parts of students' academic experiences and capabilities. It has the potential to negatively impact performance, affect students' self perceptions, and impede student learning in mathematical contexts. For many students, math may feel overwhelming. The anxiety that many students experience can obstruct their comprehension, decrease confidence, and even change the course of their academic journey. As mentioned before, we both experienced forms of math anxiety in our math classes. This is an issue we know many students experience, despite math foundations and backgrounds. With the rise of modern learning tools, we were motivated to ask could they, specifically artificial intelligence, help reduce math anxiety and facilitate learning? In our study, we worked with students from two UCI courses. They took a math assessment in class, then revised their answer using an AI assistant. After they filled out a survey about their experiences, their math background, and how they felt during each part of the process.
We're looking for a relationship between anxiety and performance. Specifically, we expect to see higher anxiety correlates with lower test scores, which our past research supports. This project has changed how we think about learning. It reminded us that understanding doesn't have to come with stress, and that tech can empower students. And our hope is that this research sparks more conversations about how we support students emotionally and not just academically.
But here's the twist. We also expect that students who use the AI assistant during revisions to report lower levels of anxiety and perform better. That's the part we're really excited about. This would also then imply that AI isn't just a tool for convenience, it has the potential to make learning less intimidating and more accessible.
Thank you for listening.